Hey Pinners! Today I'm excited to show you how to change your Pinterest theme to give your profile a fresh new vibe. If you're ready to personalize your Pinterest experience, let's get started. First, open your Pinterest app and make sure you're signed into your account. Navigate to your profile by tapping on the saved icon located in the lower right corner of the screen. Next, look for the hexagon-shaped icon in the upper right corner of your profile page. Tap on it to access Pinterest settings. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Account Management. Here's where the fun begins. Look for the App Theme option and tap on it. You'll now see a selection of themes to choose from. You can opt for a darker theme or a lighter one, depending on your preference. Simply tap on your desired theme to apply it. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Pinterest theme, giving your profile a brand new and personalized look. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Pinterest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy pinning!